Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video as soon as you're done watching it. Alright, so we'll be looking at how to design a 3D logo using Pixellab, using only Pixellab. So the first thing we do here is we go to this place and then we get shapes. Get a circle shape. Good. You can increase the size. Use this position to position it at the middle, and then change the color. You can pick any color of your choice. Let's just pick this color. So you copy it and you change the color again. You can change it to white. Reduce the size. Sorry. So let's use this position to make it to be at the middle. Good. We have to take another shape. So you go to shapes, you pick this square shape, you adjust it this way and you reduce the width this way. So you can place it here. Change the color to blue, to this color, this first color we choose before. Good. Then you copy it, move it here. Let's increase this a little. Good. So you reduce the width of this a little, and then reduce the width of this a little. So you shift this way. Good. You copy this, and then you rotate it. Reduce the width, and then you place it here. You can use this to make it to be at the, it's not necessary it can be at the middle. You can just move it up a little. Good. You increase the width again so that it will be able to cover the one in the middle. Good. Copy this and rotate it. Sorry. Rotate this to be vertical. Then you now move it here. Change the color. Go down to color. You change the color to white. Good. You copy this again. Move it here. You copy this and then you move it here also. You can make use of this position, or better still, let's leave it that way. Let's reduce it a little. Reduce it a little. Good. Alright, so we are done with this design. What we are going to do here is we are going to merge everything together. So you tap here, then select everything that is here. Tap on this place, select everything here, and then you merge. Good. You go down to erase color. Go to erase color, enable it. All the white color will be gone. As you can see that now. Good. So this is the logo we'll be using for this mockup. This is the logo we'll be using. We are done with the design. Let's crop it. Let's crop it. You can just go to crop. Crop this a little. Good. Alright, so you go down to shadow, enable it, and then we'll be picking the material from our gallery. So what you do here, you just tap on this place, and then you go to from gallery. Go to from gallery. Let's pick it from here. So you can just crop this vector a little. Crop it out, then mark good. Check the description for the material. Alright, and just check the description. So we've imported this. All you do here, you change the texture of this logo. So you tap here, tap on this middle place, and then you go to texture. This is the texture we'll be using, so you can just select it from here. Also, you can check the description for these materials. Sorry. There was a little mistake here. Let's make this to be transparent. So we save this logo. Why it's appearing that way is because we just designed it, so it will be appearing that way. So what you do here is you can increase the size of this logo. We've changed the background to transparent. Alright, increase the size, and then you save it to your gallery. Save it as image. It's already in PNG, so you can just save it in PNG and Ultra. Good. So it's saved now. You can just go here, and then you pick another interface like this. Delete this text, and then change the background to the first material we change the background to, which is this. And crop this vector out. Good. So right now you can now successfully import it from gallery. You tap here, go to from gallery, then this is what we saved. So you mark good. Right now you can successfully change the texture. Select it, and then So you select this, you tap on this middle place, tap here, and then you go down to texture, and then you select the texture. This is the texture we'll be using, so you can just select it and mark good. Have you seen how it is now? Good. So it's very okay and nice now. You go down to shadow, enable it. Have you seen that the first time we first designed this logo, we added shadow, and then after adding the texture, we added another shadow. This is to make it to make it nice and to make it bright and for it to look good. Alright, that's why we added the shadow twice. So this is the logo. You can see how amazing it's looking now. Very nice. The name of this logo is All Hallows Digital. This is All Hallows Digital. You can add the name if you wish, but I don't wish to add the name. But if you wish to add the name, you can just let's move this to be at the middle. You can just raise this up a little, and then you change the font of this. Go to AB font. You choose this font that looks this way, so it will be looking thick. Alright. Increase the size. Increase the size. And make it to fit at the middle. Good. Also, you make use of the first texture. Go to texture, select this. Good. Are we seeing is looking very nice? So you go down to shadow also, add shadow to it, You can go to shapes, select this shape, crop it out this way. Then you move it down like I'm doing now. You move it down. You use this to position it at the middle. So you change the color again. You can just select it from here. So you change the color. Because we are making use of texture, you can simply make use of the same texture, which is this. So you copy it, position it this way, and move it down. You can use this to move it down. Wow. So this is the logo now. This is how the logo, this is how amazing this logo is looking now. It's looking so nice and amazing. We are done with this design. You can just save it to your gallery. Tap here, save as image. You can save with PNG and hide, save to gallery. So we are done with this design. If you go to your gallery, you will see the design there, looking very nice and okay. Thank you so much once again for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video also to your friends. Share it to them that might be needing it. Alright, okay, thank you so much once again, and God bless you.